G'day guys, thanks for tuning in to Nev's Garage. If this is your first time joining us here, please hit that subscribe button and also toggle on that little bell. That way you'll be notified when our next video comes out. Don't worry about that just yet though, still going to watch today's episode. Now today we're going to be talking about wiper blades. Something so simple on your car often gets forgotten about and overlooked. They're so quick and easy to change, there's really no excuse for upkeeping them. So I'm going to be showing you how to fit a nice new set of flex beams to this MY99 WRX. Pretty much applies to any car on the road. So let's get into it, eh? Alright guys, now the first thing you want to do before you head on down to your local parts shop is to inspect your wipers that you've got. First of all, to see what retainer they have on the arm, and second of all, see how long they are. This is going to save you a lot of trouble and time at your parts shop if you know what you're going in there for. Alright, so first of all, these are a J-hook, okay? They're the most common wiper blade type on the planet. The reason being is, I'll show you in a minute, they look like a J. Some have a pin, some have a top mount clip, some have a slide clip. So just have a look before you go. Second of all, we want to measure the length so we know what we're going to be picking up. So we've got a 560 on this side, and we've got a 425 on this side. Right, now I'm going to show you that J-hook. So we just toggle the release tab on the wiper and slide him out, right? So there's our old unit out, and as you can see here, that's what we call a J-hook because it's shaped like a J. I'm just going to gently sit that bad boy against the screen now, fling this one over a rainbow. Same on this side. Release and slide him out. Frisbee him away, and again, you can see the J-hook. Place him gently down against the screen. Alright, so once you've got your nice new blades from your parts shop, it's time to flick them on. It's pretty simple. First we want to open them. And multi-fit blades are going to come with all different types of connectors and fittings to suit all different models. Chances are they're pre-fitted with the J-hook, like I said, most common fitting. If they're not, read the instructions. See how you fit your type. But these ones, ready to go with the J-hook. So, all we do is the reverse of taking him off. We just slide him in there like that. Click. Slide the protective coating out. Throw him away. That's one on. Next one. Click, slide, slap. Done. Alright guys, there we go. New wiper blades all fitted. It's easy as that. Now just remember, check and measure before you go to your auto shop. You're going to have a good time. Simple as. So that's it from me for this episode. Thanks for tuning in. Please keep liking and sharing, and jump on our socials at Gossa Media. Like and follow us there. Catch you next time on Nev's Garage. Bye y'all.